shoot yourself. You'll shoot your eye out. So, you want to go hunting chickens?
Oh, right. What?
Hey.
Right now.
If we get a chicken, can we make a chicken pot pie?
Oh, sure.
Can we get a chicken out the fridge and make a chicken pot pie?
I want to make one. I want to make a real one outside.
Okay.
But I gotta get my bow and arrow.
Okay, let's make a chicken pie. Get your in the interest of simplicity, and also because I just decided I did not want to fool with making chicken pot pie, I've got some buffalo chicken style chunky soup, and we're going to use that as a filling instead. But anyway, everything else is the same. We rolled out our homemade pie dough, and I'm going to cut out 4 centers. These are the bottoms. I'm going to take my bottoms, and I'm preheating my oven to 400 degrees. Well, William gets real excited about cooking, but they really don't want to eat much besides chicken nuggets and cheese roll-ups. Cheese quesadillas, I guess. And, we did the lattice top for the other one, so we're going to do the regular solid top for the pie, because I like a little bit of flakiness with my pie, but I don't like a lot of pastry with my dessert. Well, I made a boo-boo. I pulled the things out of the oven and was digging on them so much I ate all of them but this one before I come out with the camera. They turned out really well. As a matter of fact, this one will probably be 8 before the video is uploaded. But I probably still need to do a real pot pie video, but with the soup, the chunky soup, works great.